Acceptable spot to just sit, relax. You know, we're going to come right back by here. So if you want a moment of solitude to appreciate Yellowstone away from the road, away from our group, this would be a good spot to do it.
Is it uphill or pretty level now?
It's pretty level. I'd say you can look at the...
Well, we climbed up this hill. It was kind of a steep climb. And we're going alongside of, on the right over there is Yellowstone River, which I have on the vid. But there's the rest of our group up ahead. In a little flat portion, shady here, which is quite nice. No wind. It was chilly this morning, but sun's out, and I've removed everything but just a vest, and it's quite nice here. So let's continue along the trail here. As usual, we're picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. Another stop here, and that's Yellowstone River down there that you can see. And the rest of our group coming there. So I'll pick up behind them. And then we're going back down the hill, back down to our vans, and then to lunch. Well, we're still up on top of the ridge. We're going to be heading back down. And down there is the Yellowstone River. And they say it's a pretty long river. It's the longest or whatever. I don't know. I have to look that up on the internet. But a nice view from up here, the countryside. And there's the rest of our group heading back down. And views all over the place here. Okay. Now we're heading back down the trail here. And you can see the trail down there, and you can see the highway maybe down on the right. And it's a lot easier going downhill than it was coming up, that's for sure. And beautiful day, no wind. It's just great. Okay. Well, I'm at the end of the trail, but we are here, so I think we went up here somewhere. We didn't do all of this, but we might have gone up to here. I think we went up to here. I'm not sure, but anyhow, somewhere on this trail is where we walked. Okay.